In this video, you will see how to remove underline in WPS Office Writer. You can remove the underline using three methods. In the first method, you need to select the text which is underlined. Then right click on the text and you will see the option of fonts. We can remove the underline from here as well. After clicking on the fonts, you will see the option of underline style. So at present this is a solid line. We just have to select the option none and then click on OK. So this is the first method. The next method is also easy. Just select the line and you will see here the option of U. Just click on this U button and the underline will be gone. The last method is a keyboard shortcut. If you are using Windows laptop or a computer, press Ctrl and hold the Ctrl key and press U. So it's Ctrl U, and for the Mac users it is Command U. In this way you can remove underline in WPS Office Writer from the text. Now check out these useful videos related to WPS Office Writer